Hi, this is Kevin Suff from Concentrus. I want to share the quick tip to skip the fulfillment process for non-inventory item or other charge items when the item does not require being fulfilled. This works when advanced shipping and advanced receiving features are both enabled. The can be fulfilled and received checkbox field is found in the item record of item types of service, non-inventory item, and other charge under the Preferences tab. This is a preference that will enable the item to be received and fulfilled during order processing. This checkbox is only available on non-inventory and service items. Upon initial creation, the field can be fulfilled and received defaults to check for non-inventory and other charge item types, and it defaults to uncheck for service type of items. The reason for this is that both for non-inventory and other charge item types were designed in the system to have physical forms that undergo the usual process of receipt and fulfillment, compared to the service type of items where services are simply rendered. When can be fulfilled and received checkbox field is checked, it would require item fulfillment process, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. And status is, of the sales order is going to turn into pending fulfillment once I save the record. And it would require the item fulfillment to be processed. But if we simply go ahead and edit and turn this feature unchecked, and I'll create another sales order. Once I save the records, the status of the sales order is turned into pending billing. As you can see, skip the fulfillment process. I hope you enjoyed this video and help you to determine if you want to take advantage of can be and fulfill receipt field. Thank you for watching this video.